Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix EA Sports FC 26 low FPS, stuttering and lag on PC first. Right-click on the Start menu and select Run. Now type temp and click OK to open the temporary files folder. Here, select all the files and delete them to clear unnecessary data. Then, go back and again right-click on the Start menu and select Run. Now type %, temp% and click OK. After that, delete all the files from this folder as well to free up space. Next, open Settings on your computer. Here, click on Windows Update from the left side. Then click on Check for Updates and let your system install the latest updates. After that, restart your computer and open EA Sports FC 26. Your game should now run smoother with reduced lag, stuttering, and low FPS issues. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.